In this video, I will explain about interfaces in Java. What is an interface? An interface in Java is a contract that defines methods. We will declare methods in interface. Interface doesn't provide the implementation of that methods. And classes that implement the interface must provide the implementation. Let me show you how to create interface, how to use them. In IntelliJ, when you right click on that package, if you see here on over, you can see Java class. On click on that, here you can select a class interface record. Here I am selecting interface. Here I am giving the name of that interface. Here I am creating interface name as animal. After creating, if you observe here, one new keyword you can see here. Interface is the keyword. For class, how it will come for interface also. In this animal interface, I am going to create the eat method. In interface methods, whatever you are creating, all are the abstract methods only. Here I am creating eat is the abstract method, and I will create one more method sound. Now the interface doesn't provide the implementation of these two methods. To provide the implementation, I am creating the class for that. Here I am creating one more class dog. To implement the interface methods, we have to use implements keyword and give that interface name. Here it is showing error because we have to implement that, we have to override. Here I am overriding eat and sound. Here we have to provide the implementation of eat and sound. Here the dog class will provide its own implementation. Dog, I will print simple print statement. Okay, and for sound also. I am giving some sample print statements. Okay, like this we can create different implementation class for this animal interface. Let me test this interface test. I am creating to test the implementation of the interface. Here we have to create main method. After I am creating the object for the dog class. This dog class will implement the animal interface, right? Here we can use the reference of animal. Here the dog is the animal here. If you see, now I will call the sound method eat. Any of these fine. Eat and sound. Let me test this code. If you see in this console, the dog class methods get called here because here I given the implementation of dog class for the animal. Here I created one more class cat, it implements the animal, and here different implementation methods are there. Here we will test with cat. Now the cat class methods get start executing. Here if you see cat drinks milk and cat sounds printed. Here if you observe one interface can contain different multiple implementation class. In this case the animal is the interface. Dog and cat both are implementing the animal interface and they are providing different implementation for the animal interface. Key points and features of the interface. All methods are public and abstract by default in the interface. Variables inside an interface are public, static, and final. Since Java 8, interfaces can have default methods and static methods. Since Java 9, private methods also allowed. I will explain with example in next video.